What's up, guys? We are back and I'm gonna make a little video about this. I'm gonna get my rails linexed with Linex Premium. So this is before. It's kind of crappy. It's got scratches on it, and I'm just I put a lot of stuff in here sometimes in my kids and like their toys and bikes, whatever, and they'll put it in, they'll scratch it, and it's kind of annoying. But also right there too, the paint's coming off. But I cannot wait to do my bed, but that's gonna have to wait for a minute. As you know, just like the channel, it's kind of budget friendly. So we're just gonna do the rails for now, which I wanted to do for a long time. So when I put my cover on, it will look nice. And then I might do just standard Linex in the bed, because I'll have my cover on, so I'm not really worried about the UV protection. So, but here's the before. Okay, we are here. I'm excited. Let's get this done. Well, this is the premium, which said he's had it out here for years, and it's really nice. So I'm excited. It's kind of got a little texture to it, so it looks good. Mine's more trash than this, so. Okay, you guys, we're back. Oh man, it looks amazing. It's kind of hard to tell right now, but when it was sunnier earlier, it actually snowed, which is kind of crazy. But it just looks awesome, because you can tell, you see the texture. You can concentrate. But yeah, it looks way good. Come on, focus. But I don't know how to explain it. It looks super nice. I can't wait to put my cover on, and also bedline in the bed, but just to make it look a little better. But it looks way nicer. It looks clean. So can't thank Josh enough at Linex Vital Falls. So if you're here local, hit them up. But thanks for watching. It's so clean, I can't get over it.